Hi everyone, I am Dr. Samuda, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today now we will discuss about the concept introducing the framework. There is a big framework is available in the Python. The Python is a group of tools, library functions and modules, everything is available. If you want to access the particular any kind of framework, we easily to add that module or libraries or tools if you that using creating a different kind of frameworks in the Python. And then the introduction, the framework, that is a framework is a collection of modules, tools and libraries. The three important things are grouped together to form a framework. With the help of this to build a software, this is a framework is easily to develop a coding and then to developing apps. Different kind of app is created, for example mobile app, game app, and then GUI app or desktop applications. It is possible to create it. The short name is the scaffolding. It is in this framework to reduce the number of coding. Now the benefits of framework, six type of benefits are available: faster development and structured code base, security built-in, dry and reusability, tool integration. First one is the faster development. That is all modules, tools and libraries are inbuilt. They automatically executed in fast. And structured code base, this is a structured based coding. It is a line ended coding. Because of that it is a structured code base, and inbuilt security is available for that coding and packages, and everything it will be represented in that function. The function is a reusability format. And tool integration, for example, if you the Python program want to access a database, it is as example is ORM, and admin model, it is a computer network programs, there is a client server programs, everything it will be tool is available to added in our Python. And the classifications of Python framework, different kind of classification is available. The first one is the web framework. It helps to developing web applications, that is website creation also, that is application programming interface. This web framework supporting Django, Flask and Fast API, Pyramid and Tornado. These are all the frameworks supporting your web frameworks. And it is it is also creating macro applications and micro application and web server based applications. And now move on to that second framework, that is a GUI framework, graphical user interface framework. It helps to create a desktop applications with graphical uses. It is like creating a form. It is a front end creations. It is supporting 4 modules in Python: tkinter and pyqt and kiwi and wx Python. These are all the GUI frameworks. It's supporting a cross platform. It is like supporting Windows, Mac OS and Linux. These are all the supported. And the next one is the machine learning and data science framework. The machine learning and data science concepts using a model, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn and pandas and matplotlib. These are all the machine learning modules. It is used for the data manipulation and algorithms. Machine learning algorithms are added and data visualization methods also added using this framework. The next one is the game development frameworks. It helps to creating a game application. They frequently using a framework module is Pygame, Godot and Arcade. These are all the game development frameworks. For example, educational games and games engine and 2D game applications are created. And the next one is the testing and automation framework. It helps to create this frameworks using for mainly in IT industries. If you're developing one project, that particular project is identify the errors in that particular modules. Using that frameworks are PyTest, Unit Test and Robot framework, Behave. These are all the frameworks. It helps to identify the error in the particular project. And for example, the two kind of example is available. The first one is normal condition checking. The second one is with the help of a function to check a condition. The first one, if age greater than 18, the condition is true, executing a true block, else executing a false block. Another one, inside a function to check a condition. The condition true means true block, false means false block is executed. The last one is check underscore eligibility is a function name. Data analysis and solution. Solution. Tools to enforce dry. They are here using the tools for dry applications. Flask 8, PyLink, Black and DryPy. These are all the dry applications. Architecture comparisons. For the three architecture is considered Django, Flask and Fast API. Comparing the features, for example, ORM is inbuilt supporting for the Django, and Flask and Fast API is not supported. Similarly, the templating features supporting in Django and Jinja for in your Flask and Jinja 2 for in your Fast API. Form handling is supported in inbuilt in Django, but Flask and Fast API is not supported. Similarly, your admin interface built-in is supported in your Django, and Flask and Fast API is not supported. This is a sample hello program for sample program in your Flask and Django and Fast API. The first thing is import your all packages and specify the function inside to declaring the display messages. Real world use cases for your above 5 framework: web development, GUI applications, machine learning and automation and games. For example, web development, they take Django, Flask, Fast API. Here using the application is e-commerce site and blog site. And GUI application is with the help of the frameworks Tkinter and PyQtui for creating to developing a calculator desktop tools. Whereas 2D OrCAD style is used. Thank you.